In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy Controls. Tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage, like camera. Then tap on one of your apps and click on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. When you're ready, just go back. But you can also select any feature, tap on an app you are interested in, and instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down to hit See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!